In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ABN AMRO online banking application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is to go ahead and download the application on your Player App Store. So go ahead and click on search, and then we need to type in ABN AMRO and then hit enter. Now we need to make sure to get the correct one. So this is it here, and this is by ABN AMRO Bank N.V. Now this has 5 million downloads, time of recording, and close to 230k reviews. So go ahead and click on download and install. Then once it's finished downloading and installing, we'll want to go ahead and open up the application. Okay, so open up for the first time, and now it's going to be a blank screen for this video because of security issues. So basically you want to go ahead and click on I am an existing client. Then from here we've got two options. So we've got enter your account number. So if you've got a access card, click onto that, or put in your account number, click continue. So first 2 and last 10 digits of your account number. And by the way, if someone's got a better way of doing these security or getting rid of this blank screen while I do these tutorials, just leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely gonna have a suss of how to make these ones better. So yeah, once you put in your account number, or if you clicked I have an access card, you want to put in your password, then they might send you a code via text message or email. Go ahead and put in that verification code. Then from there, you're going to successfully log into your ABN AMRO online banking account.